I made a promise. I swore the child would be safe.
You said the most important thing. Saving my little girl.
We are not horses. We are humans.